Hello everyone, today we're going to make a quiz using Google Forms. Okay, right from our stream page in our Google Classroom, we're going to go up to the waffle and click it and select Forms. We're going to start off with a blank form, and the first thing that we'll always do is we go up to the settings, which is the gear icon, select it, and make sure that it is a quiz. Okay, then we check and make sure that we have all of the settings that we'd like. Always collect email so that it can self-grade and import the grades to your gradebook in Google Classroom. Save our choices, and now we're ready to make our quiz. I'll title our form Sample Quiz 1. And then we'll come up and make sure that it is saved with the same name by selecting up on the top left. And this will be our description will be either instructions, or you can give a description of what your form is. We'll use this field for instructions. Please select correct answers for questions below. Okay, so let's make our first question. Now, we typically, for self-grading tests, we have been doing multiple choice. Today we're going to use something called multiple choice grid. It's kind of like a matching option, which is nice. If you have a lot of terms and definitions that you'd like the students to know, this is a great way to assess whether or not they were able to remember those terms and definitions. Okay, so our first question will be, please match the term with its definition. Okay, so this we'll do an ELA quiz. So in the first column, or first row here, we'll have noun. Then we'll do a verb. And we'll do an adjective. You can add as many as you like. You can add 40 of these. If you have 20 words that they had to learn for a word study, you can put them in here as well. Then on the other side, where we're going to match, we will put the definitions. So it can be, let's see, describes a noun. In action or being, and person, place, or thing. Great. So those are my questions that I would like the students to match. I'll select my answer key, and I will select the correct answers: noun, person, place, or thing; verb, action or being; adjective, describes a noun. Add a point value for each one. I'll make each of them worth 2. Go back to edit question, and that's that. And you can, if you want to add another question, you would hit the add question, and it would add it right at underneath this one. For the purposes of our demonstration, we're just going to do one question today. Okay, so now that we have our quiz complete, we can close this out, go back to our Google Classroom page, go to classwork, and we're going to create an assignment. And in this assignment, we're going to attach what we just made, our sample quiz. There it is. Okay, and we will call this just our sample quiz. Instructions is please answer and submit quiz. And then as always, we can add a due date. And a time if you choose. Topic is ELA. Grade importing will allow the grades that are collected on this quiz to be imported directly into Google Classroom. And then we can assign our quiz. And that is that. It has been assigned, and if we go to our stream page, we will see that it has been assigned. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I can help you in any way that I can. Thanks again, and we'll see you again at the next video.